Hello everyone, this is Varsha and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. So once again we are here with you all to discuss the success story of one more achiever of our, and this time we have with us Miss Ratna Kalluri, who is the founder and creative director of RAD Studio, which she founded in the year 2010. Her forte lies in putting together the contrasting elements of design such as line, shape, space, value, color, and texture, and balancing them beautifully in making them speak for themselves. She has worked on variety of projects across residential, commercial, and retail spaces over the years. Born and brought up in Hyderabad, she loves to be called as Hyderabadi. A gold medalist in literature, she started her career a decade ago by doing a course in interior design where she excelled by getting a distinction and got trained with some of the design experts in this industry. She is a strong believer of attitude of gratitude, which kept her grounded and also made her a better human being. She has in the past decade of practice won both national and regional awards for excellence in design, including the India Architect Award 2021 for Best in Traditional Interior Designing and Space Planning. She has been a speaker at the prestigious I5 series organized by Indian Institute of Interior Design and also been featured in their magazine called Insider. She has won many more credits such as the Best Support Ambassador for Hyderabad region of BNI for the term of 2019 and 20 and many more. But before we actually start the conversation with her, let's quickly have a look at a very small video telling you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows, and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello, Miss Ratna, how are you?
I'm good, Varsha. Thank you so much. And how are you?
All good. Thank you so very much. So, before we actually start the conversation, I'm very keen to know that how did you actually land up to the idea of starting up with this business of yours?
I started my profession late in my life, in my mid 30s. So before that, I was always since childhood, I was always interested in designing stuff or, organizing stuff at home. So that was mainly if I see something, I would definitely look into the details of it, or if it is a colorful painting, or something that is put up in front of me, I would just go and then look at the depth and the details of it. Really interested in design. I have done a lot of, I'm interested in painting and things like that as well. So lots of creative stuff. And when I wanted to, do something that is solid, I felt like, it's better that, I take up a profession where I'm interested in, or what I'm looking for in everywhere. If I just close my eyes, I just should feel that, I want to work on it. It's not like something that is a little boring for me. No. So that's where I felt like this profession would be the best for me. And yes, I took a long time to actually start off my profession. I started it in, as I said, mid 30s. So yeah, but that was good. And I'm really, really happy in this profession.
Right. So nothing comes that easy to us. So I'm sure that you must have also faced certain sort of challenges in your professional journey. So tell us a bit about those challenges, please, that you have to go through.
There's no life without challenges, right? So there are challenges everywhere. first of all, it was a challenge for me to actually look at whether I can manage my profession and how far can I go when I'm starting in my mid 30s. Is it possible? So all those things were also something that I was dealing with. And once I went into it, then, learning the tricks of the trade. So that is where I feel there's a lot that I have explored. I have spoken to so many people, and there were professionals in this field itself who actually mentored me, gave me advice. I was ready to learn every day. The challenges of you speaking to a client and how you can make them happy. What is it that the client is visualizing, and what is it that I am visualizing? It might be totally different. So the challenges with the client, and as well the challenges with the vendors. The vendors, they look for trust. We look for trusted vendors, so it's a mutual thing happening. And believe me, all my vendors are right now, I've been with them since, they have been with me, or else since long, so many years that we do business together. And it is a challenge to hold everything together, finding the clients, finding the right vendor, the design, you taking care of your office. I feel those are all the challenges that, they do keep coming in even now. So, but the only thing that how we can go through all these challenges is, okay, today is a new day. Get me one more challenge and I'm ready for it. That is the only attitude that I work with. So that's where I feel, challenges do come in and I work on them.
Right, ma'am. So now moving ahead, what exactly are the product and services that Raj Studio is providing to people out there? So if you can please talk about them.
Yeah, so the product and services, yes, we are into service mostly. We design a space. It can be a retail, it can be a commercial, it can be a residential space. We take the dimensions or the area of the space, and then we start working on how well we can organize the space, how well we can design the space according to the requirements of the client. And then what comes in is the space planning. So the space planning is very, very important. And we, Rad Studio actually specializes in space planning. So when you enter a space, it should look big. It should have that kind of light. It should have the space. It should look as if it's grand. So that is where we work on space planning, and then we come up with the drawings, the CAD drawings, and also we come up with the 3D visualizations. And 3Ds can be of views or just pictures, or we also do videos of these animations, so that the client gets an actual picture of what's happening, and what he can expect out of the space. And then after that, it also adds value to the client's property. He can show the video or the views to the people to actually get there, if it is a commercial space, to get their customers to come into their space. And then we work on win-win situations. That is one thing. And also Rad Studio has architectural. We do architectural elevations, design, and we do the entire project. So that is where Rad Studio has architectural as well as interior designing. And once the design is done, we do the consultancy, and also we execute the project. So we have a team wherein we can execute whatever the designs that we have made into perfection. So that is our service.
Right, Miss Natta. So now moving ahead, talking about the future, what further plans are you having for Raj Studio in the upcoming years?
Right. So it's, I feel that, Rad Studio will not be stopping here. There is a lot and lot that we as a team here can do. Our design team, our execution team, all, we're all excited to take this to the next level. Every time we reach a next level, again, there is a next level. Like, as you are specifically asking, what is for the future? Right now, we are looking at doing more project, obviously, more projects from the same clients, because we really love our clients, they love us, our work. And the next big thing would be taking up international projects as well. We want to go global and get more projects. So this is the future that we are looking at.
I was literally, waiting to put forward this question to you, and that is, what is your feeling on winning this Indian Achievers Award for yourself? Like, how did you actually celebrated the news when you got the information of your winning?
The feeling is, I was literally elated. Like, the feeling is, wow, Indian Achievers Forum has recognized me. And that is something like, every professional will be working towards to be getting recognized. So, and thank you so much, Indian Achievers Forum, for recognizing Rad Studio and presenting this award to us, because this actually gives us more motivation to do more of whatever that we are doing now, and achieving more and more. So these things, I feel, sometimes give you so much of energy that you can. So that is the feeling, like, more energized, more motivated, more recognized. And thank you so much, Indian Achievers Forum, for this.
And I once again congratulate you on this achievement of yours.
Thank you so much, Varsha.
All right. So now, before concluding our lovely session, what message or mantra you would like to give to our younger generation to become successful in their careers?
Yes, we are, like, I am from a different generation, and I can see that the generation now is pretty much very, very, they think in a different way, and they achieve things in a different way. They produce results in a different way. So I totally respect what they do and how they do. The only message that I would be giving out is for them is to, be focused, um, have your goals, work towards them, be focused, and have a lot of patience in this generation of, in these times when you have so much of information all around. It's very easy for you to get lost, and ending up doing so many things, or you know it's always good to be focused, to have your goals, achieve them. And as I've already said, that once you achieve something, there is always the next and the next and the next. And I think that is where nothing should stop you anytime, anywhere. So yeah, all the best to the new generation.
Very rightly said, Miss Ratna. So, thank you so very much for joining with us today. It was lovely talking to you, and I wish you all the success for all your future endeavors, also. And may you, continue to inspire us the way you are doing. Thank you so very much for being with us today.
Thank you so much, Varsha, for your time. I really enjoyed talking to you. And once again, thank you, Indian Achievers Forum, for this.